Go and shit. Go and shit in the toilet. Go to the toilet.
Savage. Yeah. Classy.
It's cheeky ass, baby.
Jesus. Okay, babe. Someone cannot watch film like that. Jesus. Give me the link. What's in the top?
Huh?
Jesus.
No, wait now.
Wait. Give me.
It's the
What's in the top?
food that you were feeding me.
Cha. Air freshener.
Eh?
Air freshener. That's what we need.
Mom, don't.
No.
Put my phone.
No.
Stop. Stop it.
How can you be fucking like that?
It didn't even smell of roses.
You rose in your father's house.
You should be.
That's how I farted that day when I was sleeping and he woke me up. What?
I farted that you woke. You mean you farted that you woke me up?
Waiting.
You see, my fat I got from you.
Hey, your father. It's your father.
It's a DNA type of fat.
Don't try it again because I want to watch this film, please.
2 seconds.
And you'll be chopping beans and be chopping egg every morning. Egg, 3 eggs every morning. She just be chopping it. Plus the yolk and everything. That's why it's coming out of your nyash.
Mom.
See as you paint yourself. Find. They won't know how to as you fat everywhere.
This is just between me and you. Don't
Yeah, who?
anybody else.
I tell everybody else. That's why they will not know now. They think they have fine girls at home.
They do.
With
Fat
Nash
is
like
very
this.
natural.
Nash. Look, what you want to? Yes. Jesus.
Mom,
No.
Mom, wait
This
now.
wait.
This is wait.
Wait till you chop. Now they ask you. Wait till you
It's
chop.
the food that you gave me.
Which food that I give you? You don't get hand to cook. How old are you?
This just Mom, stop. The thing is not even smelling.
How do you know?
You just heard the thing. You didn't even
Yeah,
hear the
if I hear it, do I want to die? All this your father can keep fishes in the river.
thing. Are you serious right now?
Get it? Very serious.
Sis, let's watch the film.
Yeah, this one. Thank God. Yeah, no. You're taking the piece.
Wait.
You are taking the piece. Yeah, wait! You are taking it. Mba, it's going to
Wait!
Wait! I have to put it inside.
Wait!
I'm taking the piece.
No, you're doing too much.
Okay.
You're wasting that. Do you know how much that thing is?
It's not a problem.
I'm getting it wet.
Let me even spray you.
Stop it. You think it smells like roses? You don't need
Roses,
to.
this is what is smelling like roses, not your fat.
Relax.
Yeah, honestly speaking.
It's very natural.
It's
very natural.
Okay, be natural in your house.
It's very natural.
Go natural to your room. Go natural to your. I want to watch this film in peace. Because look, I've been waiting to watch this film. Go natural to your room. I put your natural. It's very natural. Okay, just natural to your room. I'll give them a water. Yeah, if you bet, but I cannot take this. Yeah, all of you, all over you.
Wait!
I have to fumigation. Fumigation. Let me.
Stop! Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop.
Where is it? She has thrown away this thing.
God.
Yeah,
Relax.
I have to fumigate.
Fatness is a natural. It's a natural
I've
cause.
told you natural in your room.
It's very natural. How?
Yeah, honestly, I think God, go and poo-poo. Go and shit. Go and shit in the toilet. Go to the toilet and go and shit. Go and destroy them. Go and destroy them. And spray it.
It's like,
Spray it. Because I cannot stand this. Go. Pour and fools up. You don't pour.
I want to watch it.
See, watch what?
I'm not ready
I take
yet.
you are ready. I
I'm
take
not
your
ready
bed.
to
Eat
go
the ready.
toilet
Eat the
yet.
ready.
No, I'm not ready.
Mba, you have to go to toilet. How many times have you farted now in how many seconds?
I'm not ready. Let's.
No. You have to go. You have to go. You have to go to
Just
toilet.
one second.
Mba, just go to toilet.
Just.
Is it that you cannot go to toilet?
No, I can't.
You want
yet.
what?
Because not
You
ready.
need plenty water. I need to give you orange juice and water so that I can clear it.
Yeah.
Or do you want olive oil? Because olive oil and water can just bring it out. Which one do you want? Are you having constipation? Or what is the problem? Why are you farting like this?
It's what he gave me.
What I gave you is what? Is you that will boil egg in the morning, boil egg in the afternoon, 3, 4 eggs, 5 eggs.
I don't eat
After
eggs
eating
like
and then
that.
you eat beans and join on top of it. How would the protein be excess?
I don't eat eggs and eggs like that, ma.
Jesus.
I don't.
Who do you? Who do you like this?
I ate bread this morning.
Oyeme.
I ate bread this
Who
morning.
Who do you?
I ate bread this morning.
Oyeme.
No, I
Like this.
thought I took ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah, I took ice
No
cream.
wonder.
Yeah.
They're waiting in front.
Yeah, let's just relax.
I think I have to look for.
No, we don't need
Does
to.
it? Well, does it do this thing?